Hey y'all, so I said I was going to come with the bread recipe. I have a few. This one, I'm actually going to use my bread machine. Again, I usually make bread in the crock pot. That's turned out great. And most of my bread is made in the oven for those who don't have a bread machine. But I'm going to use my bread machine today because I got some stuff I got to do. All right, these are the ingredients, y'all. We're going to put them in the order that I need them. The order does matter in the bread machine. All right, first I'm going to add warm milk. Then I'm going to use 4 tablespoons of butter. Now I need a scraper. Hold on, y'all. Use oil, but I'm pretty sure it's going to contribute to the taste. So I'm using butter. And then 1 large egg. And then a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You can use regular sugar. I've used regular sugar before. And then I'm going to put in 3½ cups of bread flour, or you can use all-purpose. What's important, let me bring y'all closer. The flour should coat, or cover rather, the liquid part. I'll show you in a minute. Because you don't want the yeast touching the liquid right now when it's in the machine. You don't want it to activate yet. Now we're going to put 1 teaspoon. I'm using sea salt. Just 1 teaspoon. It's a little more. And then 1 teaspoon of instant yeast. And I guess that doesn't matter either what kind you use. Again, make sure it doesn't come in contact with the liquid. Y'all see this? I'm going to put it in and lock it in place. All right, it's in place. And I'm going to set it on the bread option. Which one do I want? Soft bread, sweet bread, French, sugar-free. We're going to go to option 1. Dang, I passed it. Let me slow down. All right, option 1. And then the color, I want it to be medium. So y'all can see in case you have one similar. All right, I picked the color of the loaf. And then how big the loaf, 750 grams. And that is it. We're gonna let it do its thing. Can y'all see what's happening? It's mixing up. And then in a few, it's going to, you know how you're kneading the bread? That's what it's going to come to in a little bit. So it's going to be in a little bowl. It's going to go through the whole process. You know how you're kneading the dough? And then you have to sit it to the side so it can rise and double. Then you punch it down and do all that. It's going to do all that for me in here. But it's still nice to know how to do that. But because I know the process, that's why it says 3 hours and 11 minutes. Because that's about how long it's going to take. Actually, it's a little quicker to do it by hand. Unless you let it rise. So you know how you knead it by hand? You let it rise for an hour. Then you take it out, you punch it down, you separate it. Depending on what you're making, You let it rise again for another 30 minutes, sometimes an hour. Then it bakes about 20 minutes. So again, it's about the same time, give or take, depending on what you're making. All right, y'all, so let's stick around and see what's next. All right, y'all, it's been 6 minutes. And that's what's been happening. Look at that. So you don't have to scrape anything. It'll do everything for you. All right, y'all. So I am back. And I walked in. Oh, it smells so good. Fresh bread baking. But it is done. We're going to take a look together. It is done. Can you see it from the top? Y'all, and it kind of smells sweet. I don't see no heat coming from it. Look, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the camera around. Look at that. So we're gonna pull that thing out, let it cool, and then we're gonna cut it once it's cooled down. Hold on, buddy. Move. Huh? Hold on, let me do this so y'all can see what's going on. Hey, move. That little mitt better be in here. Where is it? Okay. Y'all, I don't like pink, but this is what was in. It came with the bread maker. So I will invest in another one soon. But I'm going to take it out. Man, it's like the perfect color too. Do you smell it? It's hot, buddy. Y'all, look at this. Hold on, I need a minute. Can you give me the red mints?
Let's go.
I know, because it is. Hey, go get my red mints out the drawer. Over there, buddy. Remember the mints? Right there. In the drawer. Give me one of them. Thank you. So yeah, so hopefully it'll release. Y'all, look at this bread. Move it, I don't want to burn you. Y'all, look at that.
It's perfect.
I know it is. I wonder if it'll come right out. Oh, oh, and the little thing. Hold on. This also released from the bread. Oh my God. Last time it got stuck. All right, let's put this to the side.
Oh, it has a little hole in it.
Can y'all see? Let me bring them closer. Move, Jordan. Really? Watch out. I'm going to turn it over.
But
Oh man, that looks good. Oh, smell it.
It kind of smells like pizza.
It smells sweet. Yo, this thing look perfect.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I can't wait to cut it to
It
this
looks
thing.
way more better than normal.
We ain't never got to buy bread again, buddy. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna let this cool down. I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'm gonna cut into it and show y'all the, what do they call it? The
Man, that thing looks better than a normal bread.
dang, what did the lady call it? You know how some bread, the holes are bigger, and then some is very compact in the bread, like it's better for sandwiches. Hey, get away from me.
What?
It is perfect, isn't it? But some bread have wider holes in it. I forgot what she
I
called
don't
it.
want this thing. It's the perfect time to be eaten.
It smells so good and fresh. Wait, is it still on?
Damn, I burned my nose. Just. Yeah, I burned my nose. Let's go to eat the wood think.
We just gonna unplug.
Mom, this.
All right, y'all, it's the moment of truth. It's still warm, but I'm impatient. I wanna. It's got that same little crust. I guess I could have put butter on top of it. But we're gonna cut it and see how it looks together. It's my first time cutting into this recipe. Let me see if I can cut with my left hand. It's nice and soft. Oh man, look at that. I know JJ hope or wish he was here to see the cut. Can y'all see this? That's as far as I'm gonna go. It's still warm. Look at that, y'all. It's perfect. So I can just imagine when it's, look at that. I'm gonna taste it. Lord bless this piece of bread. Amen. It tastes like a healthier little slice of bread. Y'all, this is good. So I'm gonna let me show y'all this. Oh my God, look at that. It's perfect. I'm excited about this. So that's it, y'all. That's how you make the bread in the bread maker. You can use the same recipe even when you put it in the oven, and I'll show y'all that at a later time. But this is very quick and easy, and it's delicious. Look at that. How's it, Jay?
Good bread, baby.
Oh,
Like
are you just saying it?
Nope.
Good luck,
I would tell
Dad.
you, you know,
Tools.
I would tell you, it's good bread. Don't buy no more bread, just make it. Save some money.
Exactly. And it's healthier. Well, we think, but.
Tastes healthy.
Oh, yeah, you don't feel full and.
Good job. I like it. Nice and sweet.
It is.
Soft. Actually moist. I like it.
Thanks, Pete.
Thank you.